All right. You're still hanging in there on these problems. We're in Algebra 2, Topic 2 review. That's problem 33. We're up to just a couple left. We are supposed to solve it by substitution. It's a little gross, but what we're going to do here is, since they're both y, we can just put this over here, and we're going to set them equal to each other. The x minus 51 equals the 2x squared minus 19x minus 1. So once I subtract an x from both sides, that's going to make this negative 20x. And when I add 51 to both sides, that's going to make this a positive 50. And then I'm really just kind of hoping that it factors. Let's see, right now, the way it looks to me, everything is divisible by 2. I could get some smaller numbers here if I divided the whole equation by a 2. And I'm looking across here, divide both sides by a 2 there. So that would give me x squared minus 10x plus 25. And so x minus 5 times x minus 5, I believe, would factor to give me that problem. And my two answers would be 5. So the solutions is or are 5 as an order pair. Since they're the same, I don't know if it wants me to type them both or if it'll take just one. We'll see. Well, it wants them both, even though they're the same. The way it is what I'm thinking. No. Select the correct, but there is no solution. The 5, 5. X minus 5 would factor positive 25, negative 5x, negative 5x. X minus 51 equals the 2x squared minus 19x minus 1. Add 51 to negative 1 would be plus 50. Subtract x would be negative 20x. Divide everything by a 2 would be an x squared, and a 20 divided by 2 is 10, and a 50 divided by 2 is 25. Well, now I'm going back to the original two equations. I'm just going to hop over to Desmos if I put them in and see what Desmos shows the answers to be. All right, might have to clean Desmos up a little. I have some other stuff typed there. Let's type those two equations in and see what I did wrong. Y equals 2x squared minus 19x minus 1. And the linear equation on the other side was y equals x minus 51. If I zoom out there, zoom back in here. Well, let's just click here. Usually it'll give you your answer right there. Well, it was decimals. I didn't get decimals for some reason. X minus 51, 2x squared minus 19x minus 1. Well, I'm just gonna, might have to do quadratic formula to actually then solve the problem. Oh, so if I found x to be 5, I think maybe the other problem could be that I just typed the answer in wrong. I got a solution of 5, but to get the y that goes with that, if I plugged a 5, what's 5 minus 51? 5 minus 51, I believe, is negative 46. Otherwise, we could go back over to Desmos and check that out as well. But that's what I didn't do. I didn't plug the X in to find the Y that went with it. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you out. Good luck.